Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Today I have an incredibly stunning eye makeup tutorial lined up for you that you won't want to miss it. This brown smoky eye with white shimmer is perfect for parties or weddings. Don't worry, the process is super simple. Just stay with me for the rest of the video and let's get started. I start with brown toned eyeshadows. First, I use medium brown shade with a fluffy brush. I apply a little bit of this shade to the crease of my eyelid and blend it well to achieve a soft smoky effect without any harsh lines. For this eye makeup, you can use any eyeshadow palette you like. However, I write the product details in the description section, so feel free to check it there. Next, I use dark brown eyeshadow with a smaller fluffy brush. I apply the shadow right along the crease line and blend it out in a sweeping motion as much as I can. Then I switch my brush back to the previous one. This type of brush, known as a crease brush, is usually my favorite. You can use any fluffy brush you feel comfortable with. At this stage, I blend all the shadows together using a sweeping motions. Next, I mix light and dark brown eyeshadow for the outer corner of my eyelid. Using the same brush, I apply it only to the outer corner, making sure not to extend the shadow too much into the middle of your eyelid. I focus on blending the shadow in this small area. I like the outer corner of my eyelid to be darker, so I mixed in some dark brown. To enhance the shape of your eyes, you can add a little black shadow to the outer corner as it blends beautifully with the brown. Then I take the smallest brush and apply brown shadow to the small area at the beginning of my eyelid. I want the center of my eyelid to remain without shadow, so make sure not to extend your brush past the middle of the eyelid. Then use a flat brush, apply a very tiny amount of concealer to it. Carefully place the concealer in the center of your eyelid. If you're a beginner, remember that practice and patience are key to achieving this beautiful eye makeup look. We've reached the exciting step. I use powder glitter and gently tap it onto the center of my eyelid with a brush. Since the center of my eyelid has concealer, the glitter easily sticks in this area. However, you can apply glitter glue before adding the glitter. You can also use brown or gold glitter from your eyeshadow palette, which looks absolutely stunning. And again, for the lower lash line, I use a combination of these two shades. With a small flat brush, I blend the shadow from the outer end of the lower lash line towards the center. Don't forget to add glitter to the lower lash line as well. I apply glitter to the inner corner of the lower lash line and it looks truly beautiful. To finish the look, I apply eyeliner. Since my eyes are slightly puffy, I usually extend the eyeliner to the middle of my eyelid. You can draw the eyeliner all the way to the inner corner based on your preference. Feel free to use any type of eyeliner product, whether gel or liquid. Use mascara or false eyelashes to complete your eye makeup look. Our eye makeup is now finished. Thank you for watching this tutorial video until the end. If you found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments down below, or feel free to share it with your friends. If you're interested in makeup and beauty, I upload tutorial videos every week, so to make sure you don't miss any videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button. I appreciate your support. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.